To do fast math and make math fun, you should consider doing math in an order uh, you like. Don't do math in the order like lining things up in columns. You can do that if it's easy for you, but not all math is the same. So we're going to do a little exercise using compatible numbers and order. Now, what if I asked you to add all these numbers up? Let's say they're all individual digits, single digit numbers, and you have to add them all up. Well, you might go, oh my goodness, that would take me all day. But if you focus on compatibles and you start looking for like the compatible numbers 9 and 1, and you start to say, okay, that's a group of 10, and you look around, you say 8, and there's an 2, excuse me, and there's an 8. Get rid of those. That's a group of 10. Are there any others that can make 10? Well, if you know from any of the other videos, 7 and 3 makes 10. So you just kind of keep track. Now, mostly you can do this in your head, but I'm just showing you as an illustration. We've got a 6 and a 4 is a 10. And a 6 and a 4 is a 10. So we're starting to get rid of these numbers, and you can see it's getting easier and easier. Now, it's a little trickier now because we have all these, there's not any clear compatibles, but maybe if we look closer, we can start making some. And here's one thing I like to do, and that's steal from one, give to another. So what if we turn this into a 5, steal the 1, and move it over there, turn this into a 10. And you have 15. Let's put that up there. This is 8 and 7. It's not a compatible, but it's 15. And the reason I like that is because 15 and 15, I know, make 30. So when I look for groups of 10, my life becomes pretty easy in terms of doing this math. 8 and 9 is 17. I'm just going to hold that over here for a second. So we have 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 17. Now I like to always start on the left and say, okay, 80 plus 10, call it what it is. A lot of people call that a 1, and that causes a lot of confusion. 80 plus 10 is 90, and then there's 7 there, which would be 97. Remember that order is important. Um, do things in an easy order, and an order that works for you, not that, you know, um, you can be very, very creative. Every different person could have come up with a different way to add those together. So be creative, and that's how you do faster math. Not only that, it gives you good sense of the value of numbers, and it gets you thinking and coming up with tricks you will not forget. Um, so that's one quick tip. I hope you like it.